Hey there and welcome back to another video on this channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can use Xero. Okay, this is an accounting software. You can use it for making it easier for your business, like it will be make your business easier to run, flexible, and etc. So let's get started. First of all, you have to visit Xero.com. Then here you can see you can get 90% off for the first 6 months. Also, you can just log in or tap on to try Xero for free. Xero is really a good software for your businesses, so you can use it. Now here you can see to start a 30-day trial, free trial, you just have to enter some information right here. For example, your first name, your last name, your email, your phone number, and your location, etc. Now you have to choose a location for it. For example, I'm gonna choose USA. Let me find the option. Okay, for now this one is perfect. Now let's check out this Texas. Now you have to tap onto I am not a robot option. You have to complete this captcha, choose the bridges, and then you have to verify. Now you have to next confirmation, and then you are free to use Xero. Okay, and you can also check out their pricings and plans right from here. As you can see, their starter packages are around $30. Standard one is $4.60, and premium one is $6.90. You can check out what the offers and what the not. You can just check them out. So that was it all about Xero, and if this video was helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Till then, take care. Goodbye.